Hi there. So today I am going to be quickly unboxing my Q2 Amplify planner, and I'm so excited. So excited. I have to actually check and see. I feel like I've gotten different color tape on all my boxes since I started ordering in Q3 last year. I'm gonna have to check because I love getting different color tape each time. Oh my gosh, there it is. There it is. There it is. Oh. So I got the coral color. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. It is so pretty. Pretty and peachy and corally and just amazing. So amazing. I cannot wait until I can really do a nice full review of it and compare it to all my other planners that I have from last Q3 until now, and look at how it looks with all my pocket notebooks and my pocket calendars. And now I'm anxiously waiting what colors will be for Q3. What has my life come to? All right, I'll do a more in-depth review later. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.